Joeigbokwe as a good person. Nobody, no family you go and call Joeigbokwe, you hear anything good concerning him. He's the one now pointing finger to a whole God-given able prime minister of Biafran government in exile, pointing hand onto him. Who is Joeigbokwe?
An APC chieftain.
APC chieftain. What is he in Biafra land? What is position in Biafra land? He's an Igbo man. Can you see him and ask him, for how long have he traveled last to visit his own hometown? You know that Joeigbokwe is a escapee. They pursue him in Biafra land. Want to deal with him. He ran and come to Lagos. And he come to Lagos, have no business, nothing to lay hand for keeping himself and his soul alive. Then he jumped into the camp of the enemies of Biafrans, enemies of Igbos, criticizing Igbos, criticizing Biafrans, calling them a sort of name, so that at the end, APC recognize him under Tinubu, Fashola, and Ambode. They give him commissioner of refuge. What? Commissioner of water cleaning, picking of pure water, nylon, picking of peppers on the road. That is the post they give him. From that place, he was able to get something doing for his living. Then he joined APC, joined everything as a former governor of Edo State said, Adams Oshomole. No matter the crime you committed, immediately you join APC, your sin is forgiven. So immediately you join APC, all his sins have been forgiven. And he start eating the benefits of betrayal, who betray his people. And in that betrayal, he continue up to today. But I'm not sure he will travel home. Even if by God's grace Biafra come, I'm not sure his leg will step into Biafra land. Now, is it this person can come out and speak for Biafrans? Is this person can come and speak for Igbos? We have already have bad record in Biafra land, bad record among the Igbo nationalities. Nobody in Igbo land or Biafra know what is his name.
But as Joeigbokwe, has he ever hold any position there in the southeast? Did he ever? Joeigbokwe, did he ever hold a position, in the southeast?
He don't have any position. Even Ohanes anybody reject him. A person who Ohanes anybody reject. Have he ever gone to Igbo land and do campaign? Even a person, the governors in Igbo land, southeast, be not recognized. He will like to talk as others have been talking, so that people hear his voice. As I'm telling you about him now. So there's a people that are afraid, who their talks or words hold no ground. People who carry baskets in the hand that enter the river or seem to fetch water, basket cannot be able to hold any water. That's what they are. People like Igbokwe. So forget about that issue. If you know that the Salmon Ekpa is causing mayhem, let him go and bring Salmon Ekpa to come and answer the query of mayhem is causing. He says Salmon Ekpa is in Finland giving order Someone Ekpa is giving order, and the people in the land of Biafra are obeying. He is in Lagos. Finland and Lagos, which one is closer to Biafra land? Let him give his own order, and let us see whether people will obey or not. Let him give his own order, and let us see. With the anger, people will not come here and stone him. You know, there was a time they stone him. Want to kill him up to 2 times. He escaped. There's a time they want to stone him. I think one on top mainland bridge. He managed to escape and run away. Since that time, he smiled to Kochikom. He have started again. They remember him again. Are you okay?
So, for Joe, so normally, he doesn't have the right to tackle Ekpa, to tell him what he feels, because he feels that what Ekpa is doing is the wrong thing.
If he's a reasonable person, you could not have open mouth and utter any word against someone, whether good word or bad word. But because everybody have a right to speak their mind, therefore that's why he opened his mouth and speaking blah 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 blah, speaking whatever that come out from his mouth against someone. But let me tell you, very soon, wisdom shall be justified by her children. On December 2nd, this year, 2024, wisdom shall be justified by her children. By that time, we know whom is whom in Biafra land.
And sorry, and lastly, Nnamdi Kanu's counsel, Ejimako has come and said that Nnamdi Kanu was so bitter as regards the death of Ifeanyi, this famous Onyeka and at the same time Ifeanyi, he said it was so sad as regards their death, that regardless of what they've done, that no Igbo man should be happy as regards the death of these people.
No, you see one thing. Why Nnamdi Kanu said so? Nnamdi Kanu is sad for their death because they did not live to see the restoration of Biafra. You understand what I'm saying? That is why Nnamdi Kanu is sad. Had he been to live to see the restoration of Biafra and the release of Nnamdi Kanu, shame could have catched them. But that is shame now. Death have removed it out of them. This is why Nnamdi Kanu is sad. Not that they are good people, or they do Nnamdi Kanu good, or they do Biafran good. You understand?
Yeah.
And why Nnamdi Kanu seems that as if he's telling people should go for condolence, it's because of the same issue. To go and warm him, to go and see whether they are dead or really, or is this an ordinary rumor? And he said that the Igbos should not speak ill against the dead. Yes, right from Igbo culture, we don't speak ill against the dead. But there's something the dead will do. His body will not be buried in Igbo land. There's a crime the death will committed. Their body will be thrown inside the evil forest called the Ishuanjo here. Vulture will go there and eat them up. There's a crime you commit in Igbo land in olden days. When Ofonogu, we are at work, they will bring you and your family, bury you alive, as they do Ekan and his family in the book of Judges. They bury you alive. And nobody will bear the consequences because it's a law they have assigned. Don't do this, you do it. The Igbos don't speak ill against the dead. It's only the dead that will die at least good death. It's only a person that is sound that at least not perfect, but at least fair. Not very good, but at least fair. That, because nobody is perfect. That the Igbo did not speak ill against him. You understand? But whether Igbo speak ill against the death or not. Now is high time. We have to change the narrative. When you do good, we speak good of you. When you do evil, we speak evil of you, even at the point of death. Unless you have repented before that. Because I personally cannot come and praise you at your death when I know you're a bad man or bad woman. I cannot do that. But because of us who moral mind, like this Iwanyang, Ifanyuba, their death are also moral mind, which means when we go, eat and throw away, eat and go with take away. So people will go there. So the whole party, not that they will him. Some will go there and see whether really he's dead or not. Look at the person like Ifan Yoba. When he died, people gathered in Biafra, throw party, rejoicing for his death. Is he a good man? He's not a good man. So now the Kalo know why he says so. Because they are not alive to see the shame upon them when Biafra will restore. And now the Kalo will be released. And let us look at another side again. This is the first side. Let us look at another side again. It was Aloye Jumako who presented this paper to people of East. Are you sure? Or is Biafra sure that Nnamdi Kanu wrote that paper? Or make that a statement? Because Aloye Jumako have done similar thing first. When Simon Ekpa and Biafran Republican government in exile come to find out that what he said, Nnamdi Kanu said, is completely lie. He brought a very loggerhead between Aloye Jumako and IPOB, Biafra government in exile. Later, he repented and they show good concern. They reconcile again. Who knows whether something like that have happened again? And remember, Simon Ekpa said he will never take anything from anybody that Nnamdi Kanu said. Any piece of paper, any recorded voice, any view note that Nnamdi Kanu said, because there is a way they can computerize voice to the voice of somebody whom they want to use. It will look like the voice of that person. And we have photoshoppings. This is why Simon Ekpa said he will hear mouth to mouth, ear to ear from Nnamdi Kanu before he take order. And it's no more. As long as Nnamdi Kanu is in the dungeon of DSS, he's no more taking order from Nnamdi Kanu. His order, his take, whatever his take, is belong to him. And his government, Biafra government in exile. Nobody should persecute Nnamdi Kanu. Say Nnamdi Kanu did this, Nnamdi Kanu did that. They should leave Nnamdi Kanu alone. So let us wait and know what tomorrow will be. Whether we find out whether it's Nnamdi Kanu said what Aloye Jumako presented now or not. That's another area of it.
He came out to the public and start talking nonsense. Do you understand what I'm saying? Yorubas and Igbos have been living over the years in peace. Igbo has never been fighting Yorubas since inception of Lagos State, 1967.
Okay, and a Twitter page called Lagos Peda has come and said that all Igbos must leave Lagos from August 20th to 30th. That they don't want to see any Igbo. That even the Igbos in the that is the Yorubas in the southeast should come to the west back, to come to Lagos back. That from anything from 20th to 30th, that every Igbos should relocate their businesses to Lagos. Is this not a tribalistic statement from such page or person?
Akere, if there's a possible or available cup of coffee or tea, you should have given it to me, because this is a very, very sweet question. I should tell the whole world what is going on about. See, that accusation, if you ask me, the man that tweeted or said such on TikTok is a dreamer. Yes, Twitter. He was drinking. He was busy drinking, marrying over the protest that is about to take place there. And because he was dreaming about money, he will catch out the money that Tinubu will give him. Now, alcohol overwhelmed him. He could not be sober enough to know what he will sell to make his own content, to create his content to social media. He came out to the public and start talking nonsense. You understand what I'm saying? Yorubas and Igbos have been living over the years in peace. Igbo has never been fighting Yorubas since inception of Lagos State in 1967. Yorubas have been our friendly, good, amiable guests, hosts in Lagos State. We are together with Yoruba, year in, year out. We've not been fighting ourselves. So that guy should have made his name known. Tell him, we are telling him on social media that he is a wave, a loafer, and a scapegoat. Yes, black sheep of his family. He should be tracked down, apprehended by the security operatives. They are looking for him now. Mr. Man, you that tweeted that Igbos should go, that Yoruba are after Igbos. You say so in the motor park where you are taking your kaikai. You are a drunkard. And we are looking for you right now. If care is not taken, DSS is getting closer to apprehend you. Run, you're on the road because the light you have ignited on the mountain has developed into fully what? Matured inferno. It has engulfed the mountain. That's why there should be a fire on the mountain and everybody is running helter-skelter. But for you, run ahead of everybody. Because if you get caught, you will end up incarcerated. You are trying to orchestrate pogrom, war, as a result of ignorance. You being an ignoramus could not know how to speak or talk to the public, to create content on social media. You are igniting war, fully escalated war across Southwest. Let me tell you, Yoruba and the Igbo brothers are living together. It is your like the bad eggs that are protesting, destroying government facilities. Can you just give me assurance that you are not among the people that are destroying government properties in Abuja? Wherever you are or you may be, security operatives are coming after you. Because you are what? An ignoramus. You talk anyhow. You are poorly educated. You don't know what you went to do. If at all you attended university. You went there, you went to the library, you pick somebody's work, you write and said you've written your semester exam. Now lie, you stole it from library. Look at what come out from your mouth. It shows that you are a poorly educated Yoruba man. You did not read. You just go there, waste time. The like of your president. You just come out with university certificate. I attended UI. I attended LASU. If care is not taken, he's claiming Unilag, Akoka. Akoka would not have this kind of material, poor material. This one not be material, we go school. He dey talk anyhow.
It can cause war. It can cause.
No, it has caused war already now. It don't cause war, but police. Our gallant officers, as a result of their gallantry, they are tracking him down. He should be brought to the court of law to tell the whole world what it means by that word. Whether Igbos and Yorubas have ever fought in the history of Nigeria. Young man or woman, wherever you are, police, DSS, they are coming after you.
You know,